My name is Glen Philips. I'm the design engineer at Joint Active Systems. Joint Active Systems was developed by Dr. Peter Benuti. What Joint Active Systems does is it develops devices for range of motion of the body. So if you have a stiff elbow, or had surgery or an injury to your elbow, you have a device that you put on your elbow and it would stretch your elbow.
So it's a rehabilitation as opposed to a support arms. This is a cuff device, so this would go on your arm like that?
Correct. That would be attached to a pronation supination device frame, and this hand plate would actually go on your forearm and it would rotate your forearm in supination and pronation. So it would stretch your forearm muscles. And this is actually a shoulder device. We supply cuffs for about 1,500 to 2,000 customers a month. Some devices take 3 cuffs, some devices take 2 cuffs, depending on the device. All of the patients, usually a therapist measures the patient for their sizes and stuff, and then we have just sizing charts that the measurements are compared against to determine which size of cuffs. And also their measurements tell us if we need to cut off a cuff and customize the cuff and make modifications to it, or we can even make modifications onto the mold whenever they're vacuum formed. Vacuum forming is one of the most important parts of our product's development, formed on the Formech vacuum forming machines. The reason we do it that way is we used to buy our cuffs and they were expensive. So we started off with a 2-foot by 2-foot Formech vacuum former and used it for prototyping, and we developed how to make our own cuffs and make them more reasonably priced. But definitely the vacuum forming is probably the most important part, because it also, with these cuffs, they got to be sized to fit the patient, and good vacuum forming allows us to size those cuffs better. Well, we chose Formech because of the compact size, and they're easily accessible, so you can get to the mold and the tooling on them easily, and they're also very versatile for what we do here at Joint Active Systems. The Formech vacuum formers, we use all manual machines and semi-automatic machines due to the reason that we change out our molds constantly throughout the day, and being able to easily change the tooling and molds is very important with us.
Just looking at this forming from the 660 that they just made, shoulder pad, and you can see the 1/4-inch foam and the 1/4-inch thick polyurethane, and the two they end up bonding together. So it's kind of an interesting process. There's loads of holes in the foam, and it actually bonds directly to the plastic. Plastic pulls through the holes. So it's kind of a neat little forming, and these are where the trim lines are going to be. You can see. Yeah, it's kind of an interesting one. So
this whole device goes as far as it's a shoulder device, a bicep device, and a pelvic device that is all on this. So this and other multiple devices as far as cuff-wise is going to go with it.
So the first thing, we do that rough cut. So we're just going to get rid of the edges.
As our production needs increase and stuff, we actually considered probably not upgrading a machine, but possibly adding another machine to keep up with our volume of cuffs that we have to make throughout the day.